Encyclopedia.
The truth about airplane food. Hello, and welcome to the show. Today, we're going to talk about airplane food. Question: why don't meals on airplanes taste good? A. Food goes bad quickly high up in the air. B. Airlines don't spend a lot of money on food. C. Your sense of taste doesn't work well inside an airplane. Do you have the answer in mind? Now, the answer is C. Your sense of taste doesn't work well inside an airplane. Airplane food often tastes bland. Don't criticize the airlines for making bad food, though. They do their best to make the food delicious. However, your sense of taste is less active when you're on an airplane. That's because the loud engine noise modifies our sense of taste. The dry air on planes also makes our sense of taste worse. These things distract us, so we often don't enjoy our meals on airplanes.